Hi, I'm Victor. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the investments in a cryptocurrency by the name of Polygon. The symbol is MATIC. It's a good coin to invest in for me, and I also get to participate in a liquidity pool that provides a 12% annual yield on those coins. So I get to hold this crypto. I believe it has a good future long term. And in the short term, I get to participate and get a yield of 12%. Let me tell you more about Polygon. Polygon is built to work with Ethereum. Ethereum really has most of the attention with regards to development for the next generation of cryptocurrencies and for it to work with Web 3.0. It has a strong proposition. I'm not an engineer. I'm a finance person and I'm an investor. So from my perspective, it's being adopted and it's being used. That's the criteria I'm looking for as an investment. It's also being adopted by big brands like Instagram, Stripe, and Adidas to work for them to participate in Web 3.0 and the overall cryptocurrency economy. So like many other cryptocurrencies, if you bought this currency when it first came out, boy, you'd be really happy. 18,000% return. So that's phenomenal. That's like 180 times your money. But it had to take a lot of courage to invest back then. More, realistically, if you bought a year ago and held your coins, you'd be down 65%. And that's more in the boat that I'm in. I've held Polygon for 4 or 5 months to this point, and I'm glad I bought them. I think we're in a down period for cryptocurrencies, but I do believe in this space in the future, and I have a portfolio of coins that I believe are good coins. Not all of them are going to be around in 10 years, but the ones that are going to be around in 10 years are going to be worth a lot of money. And if we look at today's trading, Polygon is down 2.24%. The stock market is down, I think, 2% on the S&P index. Overall, the S&P went into a bear market. It's down more than 20% year to date. So cryptocurrencies are not the only ones that are going down in 2022. Equities are going down significantly, especially growth stocks have been punished. And if you look at some of the names like Netflix, and others, they've been punished like 70% down. So market's pretty tough, but it's a great time to invest in the investments that I believe in, because I believe these investments are going to be worth a lot more in 5 years. So in addition to owning a piece of the future, which is how I view my investments in cryptocurrencies, Coinbase, and Block, I could have my capital that's invested in MATIC produce a short-term yield. And I can do that by having my coins invested in a Uniswap liquidity pool. This liquidity pool provides liquidity when exchanging USD to MATIC. For doing that, Uniswap will reward me, and my most current period rewarded me at a 12% yield annually. Let me show you how. To determine how much I'm making in this short-term yield, what I did is I looked at the last time I collected my fees on MATIC. It's been 37 days. So I divided the current unclaimed fees of $312 by 37 days and then multiplied times 365 days in a year. And that got me to the 12% annual yield that I have made in the last 37 days. That's a great yield on an investment. So I get two benefits as an investor. One, I have a long-term investment in these coins. I believe they're going to be worth a lot more, but a short-term benefit of getting this yield. I'm going to put this yield back into the coins that I'm invested in this case, MATIC. But I could take this money and put it into USD if I wanted to. But I really like having this type of short-term and long-term benefit out of this investment. So I like to scorecard my investments, and I have 3 criteria. The first one is I want to know that I'm getting a discount on that investment. In this case here, you're getting a discount. Currently, cryptocurrencies are discounted. And keep in mind that I like that cryptocurrencies have gone down to a particular floor. For example, the BTCs hovered around $30,000 per coin. that's a really good sign. It's holding up its value. And keep in mind, it's not just cryptocurrencies that have gone down in 2022. You look at high growth stocks like Netflix or even Apple, Tesla, they've gone down significantly. So I think the fear in the markets is really affecting all asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. In this case here, I want the asset to be performing well, and 12% yield on an asset is very good. So I really like that. Short term, I'm being rewarded as an investor, and it's a really good time to buy. I think the fear in the streets is really rewarding the risk takers that are investing additionally. The reward may not come immediately, but I bet you in 2, 3, 4 years, I will be very glad that I bought more coins at this time. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not recommending that you buy a crypto coin, Polygon MATIC, any stock or security that I've mentioned. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it interesting, and you can find a lot more information online. I'll provide links to the white paper on MATIC, as well as some other information in the details of this video. Do me a big favor and like my video. That'll help my channel. If you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing and hit that bell if you want to be notified when I create a new video. Thanks again, and good luck investing in 2022.